Managing a fleet requires precision, efficiency, and control. With WAYL, we offer an all-in-one platform tailored to streamline your maritime operations. From crew management to procurement, WAYL ensures every part of your business works smoothly. The PMS maintenance module takes the complexity out of technical scheduling, assign tasks, manage critical equipment, and automate notifications. Access archives and track all tasks efficiently to ensure your vessels stay in top shape without any data loss. The stock module offers more than just inventory tracking. It anticipates your needs by calculating the parts required for future tasks. Stay ahead by knowing exactly what to order and when, ensuring you're always prepared for critical maintenance. The purchase module makes procurement seamless. Track every order with real-time updates, compare supplier quotes, and manage deliveries. Ensure that every item arrives on time and meets your vessel's needs. Stay ahead with financial forecasting and crew budgeting. Build custom crew proposals and predict your costs with ease. The budget module offers flexible templates and automatic salary assignments, streamlining your financial operations. Safety and compliance are top priorities. With WAYL's Safety and Quality module, manage reports, certificates, and audits efficiently. Track equipment status and regulatory flags, ensuring safety and compliance at every step from anywhere in the world. Handle every aspect of crew management, from scheduling and payroll to certificate tracking and recruitment. The crew module offers powerful tools to manage your workforce effectively and ensures that your crew stays certified and compliant. Our Ecology Module helps you track and manage waste efficiently, keeping environmental compliance at the forefront. With the Analytics Module, get insights into workforce retention and supplier costs, helping you optimize operations. WAYL brings the future of maritime management to your fingertips. Manage your fleet with confidence and ease. Find more information on our website and book your first demo access for free.